NG and oil both traded bullish yesterday. In fact, oil has gone close to $90 levels. At the same time, NG has achieved 9.26. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. First we'll look into oil followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Let's start the day. These are the hourly charts on oil. Now what does the hourly chart suggest? Now see, first thing is higher lows. Second thing is lower highs. Only buy entry I will recommend is above 88.5 and only sell entry is below 87.5. In between this $1 you have to trade with caution. 87.5 again is a good support, and once it drops below 87.5 there are going to be further supports at 87 and then towards 86.5, 86 and 85. We have seen this zone at 85, 86 giving it a very strong support now on multiple occasions. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts, stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over, it is divergent and it is bearish. Be careful of this, it can continue with this bearish momentum. RSI trading flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. The observation here is that it failed to go past, or it failed to give the lower levels than what it has seen on the previous candle. In fact, even if it would have given almost same levels, then also we should have considered it as little bearish, but it is right now given you higher lows, lower highs. So in fact, in between this zone now 88.5 and 87.5, I will not recommend you to take any position. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish. MACD is also trying to cross over for a sell move. RSI looking downwards here, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, 3 candles getting the support here indicates that it is a stronger support, and also look at this previous candles getting the resistance at the same level. So now only short entry, only sell entry is if you see it trading below 87.5. Even if you see it trading above 88.5, yes, you can go long, but then 2 candles at the same levels, 2 candles at the same levels, then definitely there must be something. So be cautious of 88.7, and yes, if it trades above 88.7, definitely we can expect 89.2 and in fact $90 level. The directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is looking downwards, it was overbought. The MACD is willing to converge and cross over for a sell entry. RSI is trading flat here. On the 4-hour charts, see, first thing is higher highs, second thing is higher lows. Now if it breaks below 87.5, remember 87 now as a very strong support, and if it trades below 87, it will directly lend to 86 and 85 levels. Be cautious of this. At the same time, if it trades above this zone at 88.8, possibly we may see it reversing, and possibly we may see it rising high till towards 89.2 and $90 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to trade parallel with little bullishness there. It is failed to cross over till now. RSI is trading with a little negative slope there. Now look at the daily charts. Higher highs, higher lows. The next candle on this chart is yet to appear for today's candle. That is what I am talking about. It may, where it starts, where it ends, that is what I will watch out for. On the downside, definitely you can find out 86.5 and 86. These two levels, if it breaks, definitely we can expect 85, and in fact this time it may give you a sharper drop. Be cautious of 85 levels on the downside. So see here, now on the upside, what can be expected? Yes, you can go long at 88.5, but then 88.8, 89.2 are the next resistance zone, and beyond that this time it will hit $90 levels. On the downside, go short or sell if you see it trading below 87.5, but then 87 is a very strong support and 86.5 the next target, then 86. Only and only if it trades below 86 you can expect that we may see little bearishness till towards 85, and breaking 85 it will continue with the bearish momentum, and it may drop sharply below 85 levels. So in between 87.5 and 88.5 do not trade. Also above 90 levels you can expect 91 and 92. These two levels, the 92 levels, are going to be a stronger resistance, and beyond that those who watch me regularly must recall 94, 93.5, 94 zone, and then 95, 96 zone. It has to break past this to sustain the bullish momentum, else it is just consolidating right now between 80 to 100. It may trade sideways in between these levels for a little while. So take your positions accordingly today. Do not trade between 87.5, 88.5. Even on the upside and downside, you have to always put a trailing stop loss. Do not keep anything open. These are markets, wild, volatile markets. They are here to take your money. You have to put a stop loss at cost at least and re-enter 10 times. Every trade closed in either no profit or with little profit will at least give you confidence to take the next trade more profitably. So trade accordingly. And now let's have a look at NG. And before I proceed, yes, if you want to learn and master this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch will start on 3rd of October. Enroll for it now itself. Book your seats. Limited seats are available. You can reach out to me via Telegram or email for further details. It is going to be a 15-day session, 90 minutes live webinars, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become profitable trader. Now see NG on the hourly chart. Sideways, a bullish move, sideways, a bullish move, sideways. So yes, it is trying to trade bullish, and yes, how far it has to drop, below which you can expect a little bearishness. So yes, if you see it trading below $9 levels, you can expect that we may see again 8.8, which is the next support, and then below that you can expect it to drop heavily till towards 8.6, 8.4 levels. It may complete this journey. See, on the hourly charts, it is trading extremely bullish. It may start to converge at some point of time. Stochastic was overbought. Now looking downwards, without any drop, the stochastic has come back to comfortable levels. But remember, the MACD was trading bullish. The bullishness has reduced. It is trying to converge crossover. If it does, we may see a good fall. Remember, RSI on the hourly charts is extremely overbought. It can call for a vertical drop. On the 2-hour charts, lower highs, flat bottom. Yes, you can go short in fact at 9.05, but remember $9 levels are going to be strong. Below that you can expect 8.8, 8.6 level. On the upside you can go long if you see it trading above 9.2. So in between 9.05 and 9.2 do not trade. Directional movement is extremely bullish. It may start to converge. Stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. The MACD has seen a high. It is trying to converge. If it crosses over, we can see a little more bearishness. RSI is extremely overbought. It can drop from here. On the 3-hour charts, likewise lower highs. Probability of it to at least achieve $9 levels exists. And in fact, once it drops below 9, you can expect a further drop for 8.9 to 8.8, and below 8.8, it is going to give you equally sharper move. So the sharper the rise, the sharper the drop. Yes, it can at least come back till towards 8.6, 8.7 level before trying to move back again. So yes, it is trading in this bullish zone, but at the same time the support there is far below at 8.6. Yes, it can drop till there. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD has seen a high. It is trying to converge now on the 3-hour charts. And RSI is trading extremely overbought here. Possibility of a drop exists. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see sideways a little bullish candle, sideways couple of bullish candles, and now it has seen the breakout here. It has seen the highs there, and it has got the resistance precisely at the same levels. Now, even if it tries to drop, see this, on the downside, till 8.5, possibility of a drop exists in NG. If not today, possibly next week, the possibility of a drop till 8.6, 8.5 exists, and it can try to achieve these levels. Be cautious there. Directional movement extremely bullish, and it can start to converge from here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is also divergent and bullish. It has seen a high, it may start to converge. The RSI is overbought extremely. It can look downwards and look forward to a drop. On the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See a bullish candle, consolidation, and a sharp breakout. It has seen double top. Now possibility of a rise only exists if you see it trading above 9.2, and then beyond that 9.26. Beyond that it may try to achieve 9.5 levels. Be cautious. If it breaks past 9.25, it can give you very strong move on the upside, as this is the second green candle. A third green candle may appear. You have to be cautious of 9.25. If it breaks past this zone, definitely it will fly high. So go long above 9.2, go short below 9.05. And if you look at on the daily chart, the directional movement is crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic is now again into overbought levels. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover on the daily charts, and RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, see possibility of it to give you a little drop first exists. Be cautious of 8.7, 8.6, 8.5. So yes, you can take a short entry at 9.05. Expect $9 levels as a good support, 8.92, and then 8.4, 8.8. Then below that 8.7 is the good support, and then 8.6. Now 8.7, 8.6, 8.5, do not consider it bearish till the time it trades above 8.5 levels. And yes, only and only if it breaks below 8.5, it can drop further. Else it may achieve these levels at 8.7, 8.6, 8.5. It can reverse any point of time. You have to trade with caution. If it trades bearish till 8.6, 8.5, be cautious. Possibility of it to reverse exists, and then only bullish entries above 9.26, beyond which you can definitely expect 9.35, 9.5 and 9.6 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.